Cheers to us! Understanding English idioms. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we'll be diving into the fascinating world of English idioms, specifically the phrase, cheers to us. Idioms are expressions that don't mean exactly what the words say but have a symbolic or metaphorical meaning. Understanding them can be both fun and challenging. So, let's get started. Cheers to us is an idiomatic expression often used in English-speaking cultures. It's a celebratory phrase, typically used when toasting with drinks in a social setting. The word, cheers, is an expression of good wishes or congratulations, while, to us, refers to the people involved in the celebration. It's a way of celebrating a shared moment, achievement, or simply the joy of being together. This phrase is perfect for informal gatherings and celebrations. You might hear it during parties, gatherings with friends, or special occasions like birthdays or anniversaries. When someone raises a glass and says, "Cheers to us," it's customary to raise your glass in response, make eye contact with others, and take a sip of your drink. This gesture signifies unity, agreement, and shared happiness. While cheers to us is widely understood in English-speaking countries, its use may vary. In the UK, for instance, cheers is also used to say thank you or goodbye in casual situations. In other cultures, similar phrases are used during toasts but with different wording. Understanding these cultural nuances is key to using the phrase appropriately. That's all for today on the phrase, cheers to us. Remember, idioms are an essential part of learning English, adding color and depth to your communication. We hope this video has been insightful and adds to your confidence in using English idioms in your conversations. Cheers to your learning journey, and see you in the next video.